Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how I install my bar tape. I use a method which I really haven't seen anywhere else, so therefore I want to call it the hot-on slight reversed method. Learning how to install bar tape yourself is such a pleasing thing to do. So therefore you can now check it out, the express way, which is less than 1 minute, or you can check out this long version with all the tiny details so you get it right. What you need is this tiny knife, you need the ugly electric tape, and you need some sort of a bar tape. Obviously for me it's almost every time white. So I removed the old bar tape and now let's get to it. I start off putting the end of the bar tape slightly to the outside at the end of the handlebar and with the roll towards the stem. Then I do my first turn really hard and totally straight until the bar tape is just underneath here. Then I will just hold my finger here as I give the bar tape an angle, like this. And then you can continue, because then you've got the direction right. It will become neat. Then you just continue to get these even, nice lines all the way up towards the hood. So from this point on is where you will see that my way of doing it really differs from any other way I've ever seen. Now I angle the bar tape really hard to use as little as possible of it, like this, all the way up to where I want it to end. And then I start wrapping it the other way, trying to get the same even distances from each turn, just as I did below. When you get towards the end, you don't want to wrap up too many times, too many rolls around here, because then you know the hood will get too thick. So I try to keep it as few rounds as possible, and I don't want to double it up too much. So therefore you can, like in this place, you could make a little stitch like this to avoid that hole. And then I will angle it. I will angle it like this, just to cut off, and then I can wrap it up nicely with a little bit of electric tape, which won't be visible. And for the dots here on the hoods, you feel the hole, so you can just carve a little hole here before you put on the hoods. And finally, you can just put the little cap into place. So this is how I do my little reverse trick. You can see that different bar tapes have different qualities when it comes to how firm they are, if they are stretchy and so on, which will make it easier or harder to install. And I promise, if you try it out yourself, I hope you will feel that it's really rewarding to be able to do this stuff yourself.